During this march, the approach is twofold. One is Paramapurusha, the love personified, is your goal, and you must get him. When you have accepted him as your object of adoration, you must get him. And while moving towards the cosmic goal, towards the cosmic cognitive faculty, you must go on fighting against your internal and external bondages. The 8 external bondages of the mind, bondages imposed from outside, are known as pasas. The things which your family, your friends, neighbors have taught you, like hatred, fear, shyness, etc. You must wage war on these imposed bondages. And then there are Shadaripus, the 6 internal enemies, not imposed sanskaras or imposed bondages, but inborn bondages. One must fight against these 8 external bondages and 6 internal bondages. This fight is with the left hand, and with the right hand one must serve the entire universe without any restriction of caste, creed or nationality, but rather with a sentiment of Neo-Humanism. The universe is mine, all living beings are mine. I am to serve them, I am to help them. If I don't serve them, if I don't help them, who else will help them? I am here to serve them. In this way, if you are fighting against those inner and outer bondages with one hand and serving the universe with other, your existence will be blissful in each and every field of your movement. Your very existence will be joyful. Here, the Ashtapasas are Lajja, shame, Bhaya, fear, Sanka, doubt, Ghrina, hatred, Kula, pride of tradition, Sila, pride of culture, Mana, egoistic feeling, Jugupsa, hypocrisy, backbiting. The Shataripu are Kama, that is physical desire, Krodha, anger, Lobh, greed, Moh, attachment, Mad, pride, and Matsarya, envy.